Hi, my name is Candice McCool, and I want to share my journey with Alycia as she prepared me for the National Mrs. USA Petite Pageant back in 2015, which I won with her help. And here's how we did it. Oh my gosh, you guys, we are so very lucky to have her in our lives. She will prepare you from A to Z, all of the letters in between, and keep you organized, keep you on schedule. And I cannot thank her enough because she helped me make my dreams come true. And it all started with my legacy project. I had not done a pageant in a really long time, and I was always a firm believer that if you could win it in interview, then you're gonna win it on stage and you're gonna win the pageant. And that's really where Alycia just focuses all of her energy onto, and that is why her clients win pageants. So let's begin. So for my legacy project, she had me answer this questionnaire to kind of get a sense of what did I like, what do I feel like I am passionate about and that I can speak upon, that I'm knowledgeable, what makes me unique compared to everyone else. So she took that questionnaire and she helped me come up with a legacy project, something that it took me to create, but it lives beyond me and will continue helping people year after year after year, but it doesn't necessarily need me in order to facilitate them getting benefit from it. So we came up with my Move Beyond platform, which encompasses activity, nutrition, and attitude to overcome tragedy and live your best life. And I absolutely loved it. It was something that I was passionate about and that I couldn't wait to share with everyone. But how did I create a legacy project around that? She gave me the idea of creating a YouTube channel where I shared healthy recipes with a little dash of inspiration, and that way people could come to that YouTube channel and see these healthy recipes, get some motivation, get some inspiration at the same time. And I'm going to tell you right now, I am probably one of the most technologically challenged people that you will ever meet. So I really had no idea how to film it, how to edit it, how to get it onto YouTube. But I found people that could help me and we got it done. And I just went for it. She had me plan out everything that I was going to do on the days that I was going to do it. And I just stuck to that plan. And it's as easy as that. If you just follow her advice and you just do it, you find the time, you make the time, because your pageant is really important. So you're going to make the time to do what you need to do in order to prepare. If you do that, you're going to have such a fun time at your pageant because you're going to know your legacy project inside and out. And in my case, that's all they asked me about in interview. We spent so much time just talking about what I was enthusiastic about that questions followed by questions and more questions followed, all about my legacy project and my heart story. And that made my interview just fly by, and I aced it and I won the pageant. And so I really want to just end this video by saying, you've got this. You have already taken that first step and invited Alycia into your life, and she is going to completely transform you, and you are going to rock your pageant.